image of this bee stabbing this bird to death, and then out of nowhere comes a human baby. And I couldn't really understand it, but I figured out a way to explain it much more delicately. You have your bird, and you have your bee. And for a second, I didn't know which one was what was the male, and then it became clear to me that clearly the bee is the male because he has the stinger. And he's not upset because he sees another bee that has a slightly larger stinger. He's happy because he knows in his head that it's all about the motion and the ocean. That's as appropriate as this song gets, and that's what the song is all about. So when we play it, I need to hear all of your beautiful voices singing. Are you ready?